So that video ended abruptly and unexpectedly, but you can see that I've now done this, and that does, sure enough, it looks like it's probably a 25-inch or 25-foot long cord. Nice gauge. The thing's not overly huge. I kind of like that. Looks like it's probably going to work pretty well. On this side it says that it's Max Storm Industrial Grade Air Mover. You can see that that's in there. Let's plug this thing in and see what happens. Hopefully it won't take off. Okay. So it's not on right now. Just for grands, I'm going to set that right there. Let's try it on low first. Glue that all the way down through here. And sure enough, I can definitely feel the air. I can feel the air way down through here. And that's on low. So whenever we put it on high, boy, you can't really tell that much difference as far as volume goes. I'm sure it is moving more. No, it is causing this little thing to keep moving. So we definitely have some pretty good airflow there. All things considered, looks like it's going to do a pretty good job. So that is the Max Storm by Solaire.